A lot of people emphasize the front PPF and full body PPF, but what we want to do today is talk about the high impact areas that don't take a lot of time and money, but it keeps your car from getting damaged all the same. I'm going to install several of our DIY kits, starting with the rear trunk. As we get started, let's go over what PPF is. Paint protection film protects your car from things like road debris, scratches, bird poop, anything that can get etched into your car's paint. It's almost like a second layer that keeps it from damaging. PPF can be a bit of an investment in time, energy, and money, but once it's on, it lasts up to 10 years. So is it worth it? That's really up to you. It depends on what you need for your lifestyle. So if you don't want to install the full body or the full front, we have smaller DIY kits that protect just the high impact areas. And when I say high impact, I mean areas that easily get damaged. So this is a 2018 Tesla that was bought used, and it already came with these little rock chips right here. And so if PPF was on it, then it would have kept the paint from actually being damaged. And that's why the rear trunk is so important, because you're constantly putting stuff in your trunk day to day, groceries, strollers, anything like that that can bump the paint, can damage it. So this just keeps it protected. One thing that I really struggled with my Tesla was I travel all the time and I'm not that strong. And so I would constantly just hit the edge of it trying to get my luggage in. And so eventually I installed this just as a barrier between that. So this isn't an instructional. This is more just talking about the different ways that you can protect your Tesla without buying a full body kit. But we do have instructionals that come with each of our kits that you buy that walks you step by step of how to install. We have these guides that come with this kit specifically so that you know where it is installed, and then you just remove it right after you're done. So now I'm going to move on to the door kickers. One thing that people don't really think about is that you can also install PPF in your interior. This is one of the high traffic areas I was talking about. I took the liberty of not cleaning it beforehand so you can actually see it in the wild. This is one of our employees' cars and she uses it every day. And this is what it ends up looking like if you don't clean it or if you don't have paint protection film on it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it for you. And this is the door kicker. We're doing the front driver door. Our kits come with all 4 doors, and so it comes on this large seat, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to install this one. We have other interior kits too, like the glove box. You'll see me install the door sill. We also have a door entry, which was particularly one of my favorites that I installed on my Tesla. Door kickers are called this for a reason. It's when people are getting in and out of your car, just kicking it open, can eventually cause damage. So having this PPF as a barrier for you so that you can protect it, especially for passengers, also kids. They don't really think about the damage that they're doing to your car, but you see it every day. So if you're thinking about getting like the full body or the front kit, I would suggest getting one of these smaller ones first that don't cost as much and just seeing if PPF is for you, if you like it. If it's something that you can see yourself doing on the full car or on the full front, because it is a little bit more expensive and time consuming. So one of these is a great test product. So you'll see that it still looks a little wet underneath. It's because it has the crevices, but as it dries, it'll even out. I feel like I get a lot of questions about that in support. And so I think that's important to know that this will dry out. And also these little humps that you see right here, those are what we call fingers. If you'll just let it dry, once it's dry, you can just go do this number and it'll adhere itself to the material. So I'm gonna let those sit and then come back to them after we finish this. So here's another example of a door sill in the wild. I wanted y'all to see the scratches and how dirty it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. As you can see, even after I cleaned it, you can still see some scratches and stains. So that's why we suggest PPF so much, is so that your car doesn't get damaged by just everyday wear. And PPF helps clean it. It's a lot easier to clean if PPF is applied. So our DIY kits come pre-cut. So there's no cutting required on your car. And for our PPF kits specifically, we use Avery Denison. It's a high quality PPF rated to last about 10 years. Our kits come with squeegee, slip solution, and it comes with instructionals. So like I said back there, it's a step-by-step video that you just follow along. We also have US support, so if you ever have any issues or need replacements, you can reach out and you're gonna talk to me. But we just want to make sure that you guys get a perfect install and are happy with your purchase. So you're always welcome to reach out to us. The PPF kits don't come with this bottle, but we do sell this in our store so you can upgrade. Otherwise, you'll get a bottle like this for our smaller kits, and then a bigger one for our full body and front kits. We do design and test our products all here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Typically, that's G, who you see in our other videos. We test them over and over again until we can get the perfect install and know for a fact that our customers can do it too. So this is the door handle area, which is the area around the door handle. And as you can see, all right here, and here, there's scratches everywhere. And what you don't think about is like when you're getting in and out, your nails hit it. If you have keys to your house keys hit it. And it can easily mess up your paint job, as you can see. And so we came out with a kit to basically just protect all around the door handle. And this is a perfect example of what a high impact area is, because you could PPF the whole door, or you can just PPF the part that has the visible scratches on it, which is this area right here. And one thing that I love is that all of our products that we have come out with have stemmed from either an issue that we have experienced or an issue that one of our customers has experienced and brought to us. And so we're always open for feedback on what do you guys, like, what are y'all looking for? What would help your Tesla, experience and ownership? We love ideas like that. That's where this one came from, actually. So these DIY kits are meant to be affordable and user-friendly, and it gives you full control over what you want to do to your Tesla. So when it comes to protecting your Tesla, there really is no right or wrong answer to what you need. It's really just up to personal preference. It's up to you. It's up to your budget, your skill, your needs. So one of my main goals here is to make sure that you feel confident to be able to do this. So I really hope this video helped. If it did, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.